Hello, this is Kevin McCoy, and look at the screencast of the Relics project. I'm going to start off at the homepage. Got the navigation on the top. The About project has that pop-out tab navigation. You can see this animation written in JavaScript. Now these buttons don't have pages, so they just link to a connect page. The join button, however, goes to the register page. This is what the registration page looks like. And keep in mind the screencast recording slows down my computer a little bit, so it's a little jittery when I'm scrolling. But without the screen recording, it goes really smooth. There are two different videos as you see. One's HTML5 with several video formats for different browsers. Second one is YouTube, and you have the option to choose one format if you decide to have one versus the other. The recent contribution, you have the last three computers, and you'll never see the same person twice, so it has to be a unique user of the last three. Here you have the post with an image. This is part of the content management system. If I log in, I'll show you that part. To log in, it's admin with the word pass, PASS, all lowercase. Go to the post. Here's the third post. I'll update that. Go back to the site. Again, the computer's having touch loading it. Now you see the content's been updated here. Now here you got to hover over the image, changes the text as you hover. Remember the last date that you hovered, so the text doesn't go back to the standard first one. And then here's the photo. You got the join. Facebook is linked. Twitter and YouTube need to be linked to a page. Some of these links go to the correct page. The rest of them need to be linked here. So let's go to the About page. Here you got the parallax going on. And you go back up as well. The white relic, I got the content to it, but there's no page design or template being used. Community page, got a template, and you got the community of everybody there. You have the Facebook fan. All you gotta do is change the API code, and then the Twitter, change the API code, and that would be in the documentation. Got the contact us. If you log in, it will show you as a login. It will be sent to another page. Now, if you're not logged in, they'll have the option for guest users to send a question. And that would show it to you in the content management system. You'll see that in the comment. Here they are. These are where the questions are sent to. And then the last page, contribute. Since we don't have a payment plan in place, it just sends as an email. So in the database, I have the place for contribution. This is where they'll be adding the content. So this needs to be set up to add. Right now, I just got temporary user ID set up. And that's it for the front end. Let me show you some more of the back end. The back end, you have posts. This is shown on the homepage for the news. And then you have media, which is all the images. To tie an image with a post, you go to a post. Bottom, you have the image right here, so you just add or delete. And then the pages. Now, some of them had content in it, so like the community. Relics. And I think that the two pages with content. And then I set up a menu organization. So they could be used for the main navigation, main menu. And you could have other menus. This is not currently being used. Short menu. Or full menu. But it's set up if you would like to use it for the structure page. If you have a type map page, it could be great for a type map page. The plugin PSK post image is being used for the post image that you saw. Here, look at the plugin right here, the BK plugin. And this one is just a little text that shows right here, howdy.